Have you ever seen an influencer share a link on Instagram stories only to face this kind of experience? Terrible user experience, right? And if you're like me, here's what you usually do next. You then open the Amazon app instead, and then you look up the product in the app that influencer was just recommending, and then you buy it. So you, as a user, got a really suboptimal shopping experience out of this. But then also the influencer, aka the affiliate, who really wanted you to make this purchase got 0 commissions. Yes, why am I telling you this? If you've been thinking about being on the other side of the coin, right, and you want to become an influencer and make money as an affiliate, you really need to fix this terrible user experience, because that way you can easily 3x your conversions with this very simple hack. So in today's video, I will talk about how to set up URL Genius so that you can provide a way better user experience than you just saw for your followers, and one that looks a lot more like this experience here. And all it does, it uses deep linking, so you give your followers a way better experience and you earn commissions for your hard work. And so here's the thing, even if someone doesn't end up buying from you, you can still make money with this really little known fact that I will reveal at the end of this video. And you know what? You don't want to miss that, because it will really help you increase your confidence as an influencer quite a bit. So, are you ready? Then let's get started. So step number 1, set up your URL Genius account. Step number 2, create your first deep link. Step number 3, promote it on Instagram stories. That's how easy it is. So let's get started with step number 1, set up your URL Genius account. Let's go to URL Genius and let's create our account. So you go here to get started for free. Okay, so let's put our business email address in. And then we're gonna set a password. I'm gonna sign up. Okay, and that's literally it. The only thing you can see now is, I'm gonna move this, a message with the confirmation link has been sent to your email address. Okay, so we're gonna go real quick to confirm this in our email. Okay, got the email, and let's go. Now that we created the account, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna log in. So click on log in. We're gonna put in our email address. Our password, and we sign in. And look at this. So one of the big questions I always get is URL Genius free? The first 500 clicks are free. After that, I think it's 2 cents that you have to pay. But here's the thing, by the time you're done with your 500 clicks, you should have made some money. And so the 2 cents are pretty minimal. Okay, so now we want to find a product that we can deep link. So let's go to Amazon. And I have my books all here. Let's make some advertising for Alex Hormozi's 100 Million Leads book. Okay, so now we create our affiliate link. This is the short link. We copy this, and then we go back right here, and then we paste this, and you see it's doing its magic. And you can see here the 2 links. And then what's really cool is you can make it unique here too. So I can do 100 million leads. Okay, perfect. Compose. And this is our link. Wasn't that bad, right? Okay, so it's loading this right now. Here, perfect. So this is our link, copy URL. And then let's make sure it's the right link. So we're gonna open this up, and we should get the 100 Million Leads book. Okay, perfect. So now we need to test this on mobile. So let's open the app and take a look of what the experience looks like now versus what it looked like before. Dum, dum, dum. What's cool too is you can have the insights here. Of course, like we haven't done anything yet, so there is no insights, but the console too, here it shows you your link. And so for instance, if you realize that a bot just like clicks on it all the time, or some weird customer, what's really cool is you can manage this and then you can just delete it or change the link structure. So no big deal. Step number 3, promote your link on Instagram stories. Okay, here's now the great secret about this tactic. So if someone clicks on your link but doesn't buy, you might be thinking, gosh, I suck, they did buy. But here's the thing no one really wants to tell you. Your affiliate link is active for 24 hours, meaning whatever that person buys from Amazon within 24 hours will be counted to your affiliate account. Except if they clicked a different affiliate link from a different person. But if they didn't, then you will still get a commission. Why this is important is because when I looked at my affiliate report, I found some really weird items and I didn't create links for them. And I was thinking, why is that? It is because your cookie stays there for 24 hours. So meaning when someone clicks on your link, think about it like someone leaves like, a little bit crumble of a cookie on Amazon's website saying like, hey, Fabi was here, right? Like Fabi recommended this person. And if there's like no other cookie coming in, no other cookie crumbles, then it's like, okay, this person now checks out. Are there any cookies there? Oh yeah, it's Fabi's cookie. Okay. And so Fabi gets part of the commission. So that's really how Amazon tracks their sale. So if you really want to level up your affiliate revenue and you want to know how Simply Sell Finds made 6 figures in affiliate revenue, yes, then comment side hustle below and I will make sure to film a video about it and kind of reverse engineer the strategy for you, how he grew over 3 million following on TikTok and monetized it to 6 figures. It's a pretty cool story.